Welcome to this guide on how to change your profile picture on the Amazon app. Whether you want to update your picture for a personalized experience or refresh your account details, follow these simple steps. Start by launching the Amazon app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your profile settings. When a new page opens in the lower left corner of the screen, you will see your profile, which you will click on. Then on the next page in the upper left corner of the screen, you will also search for your profile and click on it. A small window will open where you will scroll down to your profile and then click on the View option. To make things more interesting, tap on your profile picture or the Edit button next to it. You will see the option to take a new photo or upload one from your editing gallery. Choose what suits you best and click on it. After you have selected or taken a new profile picture, confirm your choice and save the changes. Your updated profile picture will now be visible on your Amazon account. You have successfully changed your profile picture on Amazon. If this guide helped you, be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out all the videos we have on our channel.